Hi, welcome to the second part of the Crossbeam exercise in SolidWorks. So I want to proceed with my stripe emboss. I want to use move copy bodies. I want to make a copy of this surface, of this offset surface, and in X direction -6 mm, and confirm. Okay. Then I want to use a ruled surface. So go for ruled surface. It should be not normal to surface, taper to vector, yes. Let's go for 20 mm, and the direction should be the plane, the right plane. And I want to use this edge right here. And of course the complete edge like this. Okay, let's confirm. Nice. Same on the other side. So again go for ruled surface, again 20 mm, again the direction is the right plane, and let's make sure you got the right edge. Okay, and confirm. Now I could make a fillet, so 2 mm or 3 mm. Let's go for 2 mm, and that would be the top face, and it should go down, and that would be on the side. That's okay, so confirm. Nice. Same on the other side, another fillet, 2 mm, yes. First face arrow should go down, second face arrow should go to the inside, yes, and confirm. That would be the last one. So let's hide that fillet for the moment. I need a surface here. So again a ruled one. And the direction might be the same as before. Let's go for 20 mm, yes, but the angle should be 45. So the edge selection would be this one, and the direction could be the right plane. So 45 degrees is not really, so maybe let's use that surface as direction, that's better. Confirm, and then extend it. So extend that edge right here. Not this one, but the other one. I need that surface, so clear this one, hide that one just in case. That's not possible inside that. That's kind of annoying. So let's go here. Nope, not possible. Really. So extend that surface, but only along that edge. That's not really possible like this. It's really annoying. Some of these tools are really annoying. So okay, go here and go for select other. Then you should be able to select, I think that's the second one. That should be this edge of that face here. Nope. So it should be the other one. That's amazing. So go here and go for select other. then it should be this one. Okay, and maybe just make it, yeah, 14, 15, doesn't matter. And okay, I need a similar one on the other end. Over here, again go for ruled. Again, that would be the direction, and the edge would be this one. This looks okay. No, so go for that direction. That's better. Confirm. Now try to extend this. Go here and select other. Nope. That's really crazy. Go here, select other. Same as before. Yes, and confirm. Now let's bring back our fillet. Yeah. Let's see if we can do a fillet here, or if you have to extend that to the side. So if I think I should extend it. So go for extend surface on this edge, maybe 10 millimeters. Confirm. Do the same on the other side. Okay, and now let's try to make a fillet here. Let's go to fillet, and it should be between this face. Arrow should go down, yes, and that face, and maybe let's take a look. Yeah, turn it around and confirm. Same over here. Extend, extend. Extend this edge, confirm, and extend the other edge, confirm. Then go for a fillet. Use this surface. Yes, goes down, and this one. Let's see if we can make a bigger fillet. Let's try 5. No, that doesn't work, so let's leave it with 2 and confirm. Great. Now let's bring back our last base surface, which should be here, the square emboss. Let's show it. Yeah. And now let's do another fillet between this surface and that surface. So go for a fillet. Select this one. It should go to the outside. So turn it around. Yeah. And the second would be this one. And this should go up here. Looks good. Let's confirm and see if it works. Yeah, and I've got my stripe emboss. So let's rename this one. Last fillet here should be base 4 with stripe emboss. And let's save this. Okay, let's hide that one, and now I need the tooth or first that small emboss. So let's take a look for the curves. There you go, the sketches, and I need I suppose this one. Well, let's make all of them visible. Okay. I need a sketch here and a sketch there. So first I need a plane. So go for a plane, and let's use 3 points. This point, that point, and this one. And confirm. And make a sketch on that plane. And of course convert entities. I need those curved elements in my sketch, and confirm. And leave that sketch. Then I need a plane which is parallel to the right plane and through that point. So go for another plane, choose the right plane, this one, and 1 point, this one, and confirm. Then make a sketch right on that plane, and that would be just that line here, and confirm. Leave that sketch, hide that plane, and hide that plane as well. Now I can make an extrude with that sketch right here. Okay, go for select other, line of the sketch, make it in that direction, maybe 40 should be enough, and second direction maybe 80 or 100. Yeah, 80 should do, or even 60 should do. Okay. Now for another extrude with that line right here. Again, go for select other and select the line of the sketch, and this could go maybe 160. Yes, okay. And in the other direction maybe 30 or 25 or 30 should do. Confirm. Let's hide that surface and make a fillet here. So let's go for a fillet. Let's go for 3 mm or 5. Let's go for 5. And the first face would be this one. It should point in the other direction, in this direction, and the second one would be that one, and that should go to the inside like this, and confirm. Nice. So let's check out our surface bodies. So this would be the small emboss, That's my almost complete base 4. I need a base 5. I need to trim it with an extrude of that curve. That's the extrude, and that base offset gives me a headache. Which one is this one? Let's make it visible. It's gray, so it's not the real offset. Or is it? take a look. Yeah, that's the original surface. That's not an offset, that's just a copy of the original one. So that should be somewhere here. Surface offset. That body move copy. That's just an offset with the 0 of the original one, but I need an offset to this one. So that's not really an offset, it's just a base copy. Let's rename this to base copy. And I need an offset surface to that one, I suppose, because this one has no offset. So let's hide this and make an offset from that one, of that base copy. I need at least one offset. So go to offset, there you go, and I need to offset that base copy to the other side, not 10 but 6 millimeters, and confirm. And let's give this one a different color, so that would have a different color. Go for a face and delete that one, and this should be that surface, and this should be green. Confirm. Okay. Now let's hide that copy of the base up there. Let's go for a new plane, which is defined by 3 points, this point, that point, and maybe that point. So that's not okay, because there was already a face, and I need this point. That's more like it, and confirm. Now let's make a sketch on that plane, and I want to convert those curves and confirm, and leave that sketch. And maybe now let's hide all the curves. So go up there and hide all of those, at least for the moment. Okay, let's make an extrude with that sketch right here. Make it maybe 80 to one direction, and to the second direction maybe 150. Yes, and confirm. Now I need an offset surface to this one, so go for an offset of this surface here. That would be the last extrude, that one, and 6 millimeter to the other side. Yeah, confirm. Hide that one, and give this one, I could hide that one as well. Give this one a different color, again a green color. And confirm. Now let's trim these two. I could try a fillet, a 9 millimeter fillet. Let's see if it would work. I don't know. Let's try. I want to have a fillet between this face to that direction and this one, and that should go this looks okay. but I'm not quite sure, but it has to be 9mm. And just confirm and see if this works. Okay, great. Now that would be a complete base offset. This would be a real base offset. Base offset. Okay, that already exists, so call it base offsetted. Okay, nice. Let's bring back our base width stripe and that surface extrude. So that has a wrong color, this one. That base offset is down below, that's okay, but this should not be green. That should not be green. So let's go there for a different color, or just delete that color like this. It's still green, so give it a different color. Make it gray and confirm. So that's really so annoying. So that would be the extrude, not the offsetted one. Crazy. So now I want to make a fillet right here between those two. So this should not be green. This should be, yeah, that's really annoying. It always takes the solid and it needs just the face. That face should have a color of gray. Hope it's not too confusing, but now let's go for a fillet between this one and that one, and this should be 50mm, and confirm. So why the hell is this green? So that fillet is my complete base complete right now at the moment. And this should have a different color. This should have not the solid part color. Clear that selection. It should have just the face. That face, and that should be sort of bluish. Okay, now I got this and I got that offsetted one. That's really some. Now let's hide the complete one, or right now complete one. Okay, and make an extrude. Or did I already extrude it? I don't think so. The fillet, surface extrude, no I didn't. Is there already a sketch on the plane? There is a plane. And there's that extrude, okay. Now for my tooth, I need the tooth sketch. So I could hide that offset one as well. Okay, let's save that one out. Let's bring back our sketches. Okay, hide that plane, I need a new plane right here and maybe there. So go for a plane through points. This point, maybe that point and this point. Confirm. Make a sketch right there. Go for an extrude surface. Convert the entities. Let's see if I can select them. Nope. So just okay. Confirm. Confirm. Then another plane which is parallel to the front plane, I suppose. So go for a new plane and choose the front plane as reference, yes, and that point right here. Confirm. Make a sketch there. Convert this line, confirm, confirm, hide that one, hide all the curves. That doesn't work. So maybe I could hide this one. Not really. Okay, so hide the sketches, 3D sketches. Hide that plane. Make an extrude with that sketch. Make it maybe mid-plane, maybe 100. Okay. Now make it's green. So now go for another extrude. This one. Make it mid-plane. Make it 160. Confirm. Now let's make a fillet between those two. Go for, let's say, 3 millimeters. Between this surface, this should go up, and that surface, that should go to the inside. So I forgot, of course, to make fillets here. So go for fillet, 3 millimeter or 2 millimeter, doesn't really matter, but go for edge fillet. This edge, that one, this one, that one, and this one over here. Confirm. Now I should be able to do a face fillet, 3 millimeter, 2 millimeters between this one, go up, and that one to the inside, and confirm. Okay, let's give this face a different color. So again, it's why the hell? Okay, make this one, let's say, blue. Okay, now let's bring in our base offsetted surface, this one, and let's try to make a fillet here. So go for fillet, let's go for 2 millimeter between this surface, should go to the inside, and that surface should go up. confirm. Okay, let's bring in our main surface, the complete base, like that. Let's try to make a fillet there. That should work, possibly. So go for a fillet, face fillet, make it 2 mm. Or let's try 3 mm, but 2 should be okay. So let's take a closer look. I want this should be like that. So this should point up and that should point out. Let's try. First face would be this one. This should point out. And the other one should point up. Like this. So that will do a fillet, but will it do the right fillet? I suppose not. So let's, because it should be the other way around. So if I change this one to the other side, it will not work. And this doesn't make sense. So if I point this down, it doesn't work, and in this direction, it doesn't work. At least the preview doesn't work. So I will stay here, and of course I can try to trim it. So let's trim. So go for trim. I want to trim with what tool? That should be the tool. And I want to remove this side. Okay. Then the other one should be the tool. So go for another trim. Now this should be the tool, and I want to remove that side here, this side. And okay. Now let's try to make a fillet here, which might work. So go for a fillet between this face, which should point down, yes, and that face, which should point in that direction. Confirm. Doesn't work. So maybe let's go for a smaller radius. Let's try 1 mm. This works, and this might have worked before the trim as well. No, it still doesn't work. Okay. Okay, let's knit those together. So this one and that one should go together. Confirm. Let's try now a fillet, an edge fillet. Fillet, go for an edge fillet on this edge right here. Not that face, but just that edge. This edge right here. 1 mm. Let's see if this works. Yeah, the edge fillet works. Maybe I could change it to 2 mm. Let's go for 2 mm. Okay. That's okay. Now for the small emboss, bring back the small emboss, and I will proceed as before. So this one, make it visible. And just trim. So go for a trim. I want to trim with that tool. I want to remove this side. Okay. Then another trim. And now that's the tool here on the inside. That's the tool. And I want to move this face. Confirm. Let's make knit it and make a fillet. So this one and that one should go together. And now make a fillet, an edge fillet with, let's say, 2 millimeters on this edge, and confirm. Okay. Now just mirror that surface, and I will leave the rest up to you. So go for, where is my mirror command? Here it is. I want to mirror a body. So complete body, that body. I could knit the surfaces, and the mirror plane would be, I think that's the top plane, and confirm. And I'm done. Hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, please give it a like or leave a comment. If you want to see more, please give it a like or leave a comment. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my Facebook cat fan page. Would be very nice of you. I want to get more likes and subscriptions over there as well. Thanks for watching. See you to the next one. Bye bye.